Llansteffan Castle is a Welsh fortress perched on a headland in Carmarthenshire. It was built in 1100 by the invading Normans to secure the Towy estuary. The location is not only beautiful, but also had a strategic value to those who controlled it. Elements of the castle have been traced back to the 6th century BC, when an Iron Age promontory fort occupied the headland. The original fortification was a typical Norman ringwork design, built with timber and earthwork defences, giving the invaders control over the river crossing and estuary. During the 12th century, the castle became a more dominant feature of the landscape. New walls and defences were built in stone, and the slopes were cleared of trees to help the archers defend the castle. One of the features of the Norman design was the gatehouse. The huge twin towers were refortified in 1280 and still stand today as an intimidating feature of the castle ruins. The castle became a flashpoint between the Welsh and Normans, changing hands several times throughout the 11th and 12th centuries. Notably, it was captured by Princes de Heibarth in 1146 and later by Llywelyn the Great in 1215. In the late 1500s, the castle was given to the Earl of Pembroke, Jasper Tudor. The original defensive gatehouse was turned into a 3-story residence, and the surrounding lands were used for cultivating. Today, the Grade 1 listed ruins are in the care of the Welsh Cadw. The beautiful location is open to visitors between 10 a.m. and 4 p.m. and can be hired for special events and weddings, or as a film and photography location.
Slow up, no I don't take shit, I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.